also we need computers for the children so that they can, it will help them in their ICT subjects. So in fact we need a lot. If you go down there, we have a foundation there, which is the dormitory. As at now, we've not completed the dormitory, so we sleep in the classroom, which is not, okay with us. So we need more donations so that we can complete the dormitory. Yes.
The dormitory?
Yes, the dormitory. It's down there. We have the platform, the foundation already. We need to build it.
Excellent. So I want to ask our group to add any extra donations they want.
So we know that we come to give donations financially as well. Yes. We always start with donations. So whatever you're led to do with Africa for the Africans, we put American currency and Ghanaian currency, and we'll add to it. We're going to collect to it. We're going to collect. I need a big bowl. I need a big bowl. Big. I need a big one. That's good. That's better. Put this one together. Thank you. Yeah, just like you do in church. Thank you. It's coming around. Thank you. So I have a question, one question. How many students, how many young people right now do we have that we're taking care of? How many young people?
We are taking care of 135 children.
Wow. 155 children are being taken care of right here. 155.
How do you do it?
Lord, thank you.
Bye. Come again.
How do you do it, my boys? How do you do it? How do you pull this off? 100 children.
How did it come here?
In fact, it's not easy with me taking care of these children because of financial difficulties and, coming across. So I'm here pleading with you people so that you can support me to support the children. Should I bring the because it's not easy at all. The government is not helping. It's only individual support which I'm
So all of this helps. Everything you do helps.
Yes, all these things will bring will help in the
Excellent, excellent. Excellent family.